Meaning of gymnast.
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 Gymnast. A gymnast is a person who practices and performs acrobatic exercises, often involving apparatus such as bars, beams, rings, and mats. Gymnastics requires strength, flexibility, balance, and precision, and competitive gymnasts must train for many hours each day to hone their skills. Gymnastics has been a part of human culture for thousands of years, with ancient Greeks and Romans performing similar feats of strength and agility. Today, gymnastics is a popular sport around the world, with events such as the Olympics showcasing the incredible abilities of elite gymnasts.